Hi guys, I am back with another video, and today I am showing you guys a fab unit that I created using OnnaLuxe virgin hair. The texture is body wave and the inches are 20, 22, 24 with a 5x5 18-inch closure. So today's video is not going to be a tutorial. It is going to be more of a watch me work type of video, but I am showing you guys how I accomplished this bright red color using the L'Oreal HiColor. It wasn't hard at all, but as you can see, I am using bleach for the first step. I am not making it super light. I'm just lightening it a little bit because when you use the L'Oreal HiColor, it doesn't get that bright of a red. So I'm just lightening it up a little bit, and I used 10 volume developer. And I only left it on for about 15 minutes per bundle and the closure. So that's what you guys are watching me do right now. So you actually don't have to use bleach before you use the L'Oreal HiColor. I just did it because my client wanted a brighter red than what I knew that this color could produce. So I was thinking, you know, if I can lighten the hair a little bit, then I know it'll turn out brighter. And I knew this because I have a red wig myself and it didn't turn out this bright. So I just wanted to make sure it turned out how she wanted it to. So I know this isn't my normal area where I make wigs, y'all. I was just really tired. This was about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning and I was exhausted and I couldn't stand anymore. I had dyed this hair on top of some other hair that you guys will see soon. So I was just really tired, so I just went ahead and sat down while I made this wig. Oh yeah, but as you can see, the color turned out absolutely beautiful. It turned out exactly how she wanted it, but towards the end, when you guys see her wig, I'll do a side by side so you can see what I mean and the difference of the color. And also, this will help you guys. If you pick out the L'Oreal HiColor, you'll know if you want to bleach the hair before you dye the hair or not. But I will put out this disclaimer. I wouldn't suggest doing this if you guys aren't using 100% virgin hair. It can ruin your hair. You know, you don't want to over process hair that isn't supposed to be processed at all. As I said before, OnnaLuxe is 100% virgin hair, so you can pretty much do whatever it is you desire to do to it without causing any damage. So that's why I was able to accomplish being able to bleach as well as use the L'Oreal HiColor. So now that the wig is complete, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the install. You guys have seen me do this a couple of times if you have been following me since the beginning. So I don't really have to do too much explaining on what I'm doing. Right now, I'm just parting her hair down the middle, of course, and I'm about to start her braid down process. Okay guys, so my apologies. This is about it, what you're gonna see with the breakdown process. I actually took 2 time-lapse videos, but for whatever reason my phone just would not load them, so you guys are missing out on that. But I do have other videos showing how I do my breakdown process. But anyway, now that the breakdown is done, I am putting on her wig to make sure that it fits perfectly before I sew in her elastic band.
You ain't running.
So I am also going ahead and making sure that the hair is bone straight before I sew in her elastic band. Y'all, this hair turned out so pretty. This color turned out so pretty. Just look at how it moves. I had a fan next to me, so yeah, that's why it's blowing, but it's just moving so effortlessly and it just looks so gorgeous, y'all. Like, it makes me want to do this color myself. Although I already have a red wig, it makes me want to go this bright of a red because it's just so pretty. Speaking of my own red wig, I'll go ahead and do a side-by-side of how it looks without bleaching the hair before, and of course this is with bleaching the hair before using the L'Oreal HiColor. So as you guys can see, there is a big difference in using the bleach and without using the bleach. I'll also go ahead and insert a picture of the color that she asked for. As you guys can see, the color is spot on. The only difference between the two is the lighting, but I'm sure you guys can see that already, but I just felt like I needed to say that. But yeah, but either way, the color turned out really pretty. You guys, if you want results like this, I would suggest shopping OnnaLuxe Virgin Hair. You will not be disappointed. You know, like I said, the hair may be expensive, but you know, quality costs, and you want to make sure that your hair is lasting you and you're not having to buy new hair every install. You know, this is stuff that's gonna last you 2+ years with proper care. So why not spend the extra money for a one-time fee rather than spending $200–300 every time you get your hair done, you know? So enough rambling. Right now you guys are seeing me measure her elastic band so I can sew it into her wig. Her elastic band is now sewn in, so the next step I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off the excess lace.
You ain't running. ain't running.
So after that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that the hairline as well as her part is looking way more natural, because right now, I haven't done any plucking. So after I have done the necessary plucking, I'm going to go ahead and grab some makeup and make her part look more scalp-like. So to finish off this flawless install, I sprayed some Got To Be Freeze spray into my hands, and as you can see, I'm just smoothing it down. making sure that it is as flat as possible. So guys, here is the finished product. This is right before I showed her hair, and she absolutely loved it. As you guys can see, it is extremely flat, it is extremely natural looking, and that color is popping. So you know, shop some OnnaLuxe virgin hair. You will not regret it. She absolutely loved it, but you guys will see in just a few seconds. So as you guys can see, she was absolutely happy with her results. And here is just some outside clips that I took. And again, I put this picture of the color that she asked for again, just so you guys can see that it absolutely was a perfect match. Lighting was just a factor on why it looks slightly different, but it was a perfect match. And it is absolutely gorgeous. The hair is just shining and swinging.
It looks so good.
It just looks beautiful. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you just love how this wig turned out, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. At this point, I'm gonna just shut up and let the hair do the rest of the talking.